Of course. Integrating the detailed, contextual blueprint is a fantastic way to solidify the vision for the Polymath AI research community, PARC. This document provides a rich architectural and philosophical foundation. I will add a new, dedicated, platform structure section to the application. This will serve as a living document within PARC, allowing users to understand the core principles, data models, and AI behaviors that govern the platform. It will be the first thing users see when they log in, immediately grounding them in the powerful concepts you've outlined. Here are the specific changes I'll make. New Platform Structure View. I'll create a new component to beautifully render the content from the PDF you provided. This view will detail everything from the context graph to the persona models and FFC math framework. Updated Navigation. The Platform Structure button, complete with a new icon, will be added to the main navigation bar for easy access. Default View. To emphasize its importance, I'll set this new Platform Structure page as the default view that users see upon logging in. These changes will transform the application from a simple project hub into a well-documented, transparent, and conceptually rich research environment.
ARC looks more like an application that was designed for a science fair competition rather than a social research platform. Do you have any ideas? Gemini 2.5 Pro running for 95s. Thought for 21 seconds. You've made an excellent point. The current structure, inherited from the science fair concept, does feel more like a competition showcase than a living, breathing research community. To truly become PARC, we need to shift the focus from static, finished projects to the dynamic, ongoing process of collaboration and discovery. I'll implement a series of changes to transform the application's core experience into a social research platform. Specification of changes. Introduce a research feed. I'm creating a new central view called the research feed. This will be the first thing you see when you log in. Instead of a static gallery, it will be a dynamic stream of recent activities across the community, new projects, key discussions, shared resources, and more. This makes the platform feel active and alive. Rebrand key sections. Exhibition Hall will become the project directory. This is a more neutral, functional term that frames it as a repository for discovery, not a competitive showcase. My Projects is now my workspace. This better reflects its purpose as your personal area for creating and managing your research endeavors. Remove project limits. The two-project submission limit is a remnant of the competition format. I'm removing it entirely. In a true research community, you should be encouraged to create and explore as many ideas as you want. Updated navigation. The main navigation will be updated to reflect these new, more collaborative sections: Feed, Project Directory, and My Workspace. These changes will fundamentally reshape the user experience to be more aligned with the collaborative and dynamic vision of the Polymath AI research community.
Excellent. This new, contextual blueprint provides a much deeper and more refined architecture for Polymath AI. It's the perfect foundation for personifying the AI as a true research collaborator within PARC. To integrate this, I will overhaul the platform structure page with this new, comprehensive information. This page serves as the user manual for collaborating with Polymath AI, explaining its core components, reasoning processes, and learning mechanisms. By making this blueprint accessible to all users, we demystify the AI and establish a transparent foundation for trust and effective collaboration. Here is the plan. Update the platform structure. The content of the platform structure.tsx component will be completely replaced to reflect the new, more detailed blueprint. I will carefully structure the information from your document, using clear headings and summaries to make these advanced concepts digestible for all PARC members. Correct and reorganize. The document you provided has some numbering inconsistencies. I will correct these to present a clean, sequential flow from section 1 through 10, enhancing readability and professional polish.
Research feed.
This update ensures that the in-app documentation perfectly matches the latest evolution of the Polymath AI framework, solidifying its identity as an intelligent, context-aware collaborator at the heart of the PARC platform. This is a fascinating and powerful evolution of the Polymath AI concept. The documents describe a self-improving, meta-learning system capable of analyzing and even designing complex AI systems through principles of chaos theory, feedback loops, and a novel mathematical framework called FOZ. To integrate this Polymath AI Metaswarm as a collaborator within PARC, I will create a new, dedicated Metaswarm hub. This interactive environment will allow researchers to engage directly with the core concepts from your documents, transforming them from abstract principles into tangible tools for experimentation and design. Here's the plan: new Metaswarm hub. I'm adding a new section to the application called the Metaswarm hub. This will be an interactive lab where users can define high-level objectives, meta prompts, and run simulations. Simulation to report cycle. The hub will implement the Metaswarm simulation to report cycle described in your document. Users can write a meta prompt, define a goal for the Metaswarm. Generate a simulation script. The AI will generate a plan for a swarm of agents to execute. Run the simulation. A mock simulation log will be produced, showing the agent's progress. Generate a report. The AI will analyze the log and the initial goal to produce a final report with insights and suggestions for refinement, closing the learning loop. AI-powered collaboration. I will leverage the Gemini API to power the script and report generation, bringing the Metaswarm's analytical capabilities to life. UI/UX enhancements. The new hub will feature a clean, intuitive interface with distinct areas for input and output, using code blocks and loading animations to create a dynamic and engaging user experience. Cleanup and renaming. I'll also take this opportunity to rename the competitor hub to Research Hub to better align with Park's collaborative mission. These changes will provide a practical and exciting way for Park members to collaborate with the advanced Polymath AI Metaswarm, using it as a partner to design, analyze, and optimize complex systems. The workflow and making Park a truly project-centric platform. By integrating the Research Hub and Metaswarm Hub directly into each project's workspace, we can create a much more cohesive and context-aware experience. Every tool you need for a specific project will be right where you need it. I will now implement this refined, interconnected workflow. Specification of changes, project-centric workspaces. I am redesigning the My Workspace section to be the central hub for all project activities. Instead of separate top-level pages, each project you create or select will now contain its own dedicated Research Hub, Chat, and Metaswarm Hub, simulation. Integrated navigation. The main navigation bar will be simplified, removing the global Research Hub and Metaswarm Hub links. You will now access these tools by first navigating to My Workspace and then selecting a specific project. Context-aware AI. The Polymath AI collaborator will now be contextually aware of the specific project you are working on. When you chat in a project's Research Hub, the AI's responses will be tailored to your project's title and description. Similarly, when you run simulations in the Metaswarm Hub, the AI will use the project's context to generate more relevant and focused scripts and reports. Updated data model. To support this, I'll update the application structure so that each project manages its own chat history and simulation data, ensuring that all conversations and experiments are neatly organized and contained within their relevant project. This update will transform My Workspace into a powerful, all-in-one environment for project development, making your research process more streamlined and intuitive.
Corporate artificial superintelligence. Hypothesize components of artificial superintelligence. Back to projects. Research Hub. Metaswarm Hub. 1. Define meta prompt. Define a high-level objective for the Metaswarm to analyze within the context of your project or select a use case. Hypothesize components of artificial superintelligence. Optimize a trading algorithm for high-volatility crypto markets. Analyze circular dependencies in a complex software project. Simulate population dynamics with predator-prey fractal insights. Run Metaswarm simulation. Latest simulation run. Generated simulation script. The following is a simulation script for the Polymath AI Metaswarm, designed to hypothesize components of artificial superintelligence, ASI, for the Corporate Artificial Superintelligence project. #### project title. Corporate Artificial Superintelligence #### simulation goal. Hypothesize components of artificial superintelligence. #### agent definitions. Agent 1. The conceptualizer role defines abstract concepts, frames the problem, and ensures foundational understanding. Focus definition of ASI, philosophical implications. Agent 2. The capabilities analyst role brainstorms and analyzes the potential capabilities and functionalities an ASI would possess. Focus what an ASI does, its output, and its functional requirements. Agent 3. The systems architect role translates abstract capabilities into concrete system components, categorizes them, and designs their interconnections. Focus hardware/software components, architectural design. Agent 4. The ethical and integration specialist role focuses on safety, ethics, human interface, and the integration of ASI into complex environments. Focus control, alignment, interaction, and societal impact. Agent 5. The synthesizer role compiles, refines, and structures the collective output into a coherent and comprehensive hypothesis. Focus clarity, completeness, logical flow of the final document. #### simulation script. #### phase 1. Foundation and initial brainstorming objective establish a common understanding of ASI and generate an initial set of potential components based on its perceived capabilities. Step 1. 1. Define artificial superintelligence, ASI, agent 1, the conceptualizer, task provide a concise, working definition of artificial superintelligence, ASI, distinguishing it from AGI, artificial general intelligence, and AI, focusing on qualitative differences in cognitive ability, speed, and scope. Output, a paragraph-long definition of ASI. Step 1.2. Brainstorm core ASI capabilities agent 2, the capabilities analyst, task based on agent 1's definition. Brainstorm and list at least 10 core capabilities an ASI would fundamentally possess. Think beyond human capabilities. Out